Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: installed Ssms, reachable SQL server, and valid credentials. Open Ssms and connect now. Choose Windows or SQL authentication depending on your environment. Once connected, ensure Object Explorer is visible so you can navigate databases quickly. Make sure Registered Servers is enabled to save connections you use often. This gets you from zero to ready. By taking these first steps, you avoid back and forth later, and can move straight into querying and once done connecting, open new query and set the correct database context, either via the drop-down or with a use statement. You write TSQL, then run it with F5 or the execute button. Check results for data and messages for errors. Make sure to enable execution plan when tuning performance. Use IntelliSense and templates to speed routine statements, and right-click objects in Object Explorer for scripting actions like create or alter. These steps let you edit, test, and refine safely before applying changes. To finish, save your scripts and, if appropriate, add them to source control or an SSMS project for reproducibility. Before major schema or data changes, back up affected databases using Tasks Backup. When deploying, use transactions so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, start by reading the messages and SQL Server error log, then verify your permissions and network access. If queries timeout, check indexes and execution plans. These diagnostics quickly reveal why performance or permissions are blocking progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.